Happy post-weekend. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. You guys will probably be watching this on a Monday. So we are going to Cape Vidal today. We're going to show you different parts of Cape Vidal. And we're going to have fun.
My dad is going to fish there.
He said it's going to fish.
I don't know if he's going to fish for any longer than 10 minutes. But he might catch one fish, or he might just not catch fish, and then we turn to food.
Turn to food?
Yeah.
I don't know what else we're going to do today. We're just going to show you a lot of cool stuff, and stay tuned for fun. Well, this is my dad's house, by the way. There's a big garden there. And I look prettier when I face the sun. Obviously.
What sun?
Well, there's a little bit of sunshine coming from there. Oh, I just sound like a weather person. There's a little bit of sunshine. What is it? Is it a weather person or like, I don't know what I just sounded like.
Weather report.
There's a little bit of sunshine over there, and I don't see any clouds today. If you look up at the sky, it's blue. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye.
Have a good one.
Waited half an hour for this coffee, and Hanco is eating an egg
Sausage McMuffin with an egg.
And there's Hanco's dad. He's drawing money. Well, we're here, but we're going to the bathroom first. Need to go.
Feeling myself.
I'm feeling myself. Okay, we'll stop doing that. So, Stu, this is where we're gonna take you. One place where we are gonna take you when you come for your holiday. Nay?
Nay? And then you're gonna learn saying nay.
And there are sharks in the water, so we're not gonna swim. There are hippos and crocodiles somewhere as well, apparently. So
they actually warn for this. In KZN beaches, it's not just shark warnings, it's hippo, shark and crocodile warnings.
Yeah.
And that's not a joke.
Yeah, but let me show you the beach. Look at all the hippos.
Yes, yeah, it's groot.
Yo, look, I is groot. It looks like more than one. Yo. Ek weet of hulle wil hulle monde oopmaak. Wag, wat maak hy daar? Hy het gesink. Jo, kyk, hy het homself gesink. So my phone died and we didn't have any battery to film the rest of our day, but we hope you could see the animals if we zoomed in enough. If that worked, I don't know. I hope you enjoyed seeing blurry black dots and
blurry hippos,
blurry lines, but there was one very close zebra. Please don't judge the rest of the studio. We are sitting on the couch.
Yeah.
But
you only see this
over
part.
there is my little like makeup beauty station. But we only need this part. And there's our makeshift ring light that we are not using.
It looks like an egg-shaped thing.
But it does work. It does do the job quite well. We're getting off topic.
Yes, we are.
But while we're on off topic, this couch, we need new pillows, guys, because this is very uncolorful. Very sad. Look at that uncolorful stuff. Hanco's holding it now because my arm is dying. I'm thinking of doing like longer vlogs, and then we do our Saturday and our Sunday maybe. But I also like having like one day, so maybe we should start doing 2 vlogs. I don't know, post.
Well, no. Let's just stay with Sunday is vlog day.
I'm
right?
so excited to be making more videos. Sorry.
Sunday is the day we vlog. Whatever, no matter what we do, we vlog Sunday. So let's just start including something we do on a Saturday
Or I can just
into the vlog.
Post more stuff on Instagram stories on Saturday. So Saturday can be Instagram story days.
And then Sunday vlogs.
Okay, but thank you guys for joining the vlog today. Our internet is freaking back. Yes.
Freaking super fast again.
Yes, so because we missed Wednesday's video because we didn't have internet, like it wouldn't have been able to upload it. It was so slow.
It would have still be uploading by now.
Yeah.
By now.
By
Stop
now.
doing that. I need to remember.
It's a nerd. Okay, stop now.
I need to remember when I move this arm, steady the vlog arm so that we have good footage.
Okay, so there's another video coming on Wednesday. Tuesdays and Thursdays are Design Life video days. When are you posting your videos? Wednesdays and Saturdays?
Twice a week. And sometimes a bonus video. But go on Instagram, follow us, follow our account on Instagram.
And Twitter, because then you guys will know when we're posting videos. But I'm pretty anal, so I will post every Tuesday.
You are pretty?
Anal, like OCD.
Yeah, say that, not the other word.
Anal, that's like a thing. When you're anal about something, you're like, okay, so I'm not allowed to say anal.
This is YouTube. You don't say anal on YouTube.
Wait, let me do the eye roll.
Wait.
Okay.
It's pretty anal about it.
Whatever. People say that, okay? I'm like OCD about it, so I will be posting. Yeah, I just grabbed the phone. What a bitch. I know. What a beep. I know. Family friendly content, guys. What did I want to say?
Scheduling.
Scheduling.
You are very
I'm pretty OCD. I'm OCD about scheduling. So you will see videos from our channel Mondays and Wednesdays, Design Life, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Hanco's videos will be up 3 times a week. Follow us on Twitter or Instagram. 2, maybe 3 videos. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter if you guys want to know when we're posting, what we're doing, and
on Instagram for the Saturday stories from now on.
Yeah.
Go on Instagram, follow that account for the Instagram.
Okay, that's enough
I call it
self-promotion.
Insta stories.
That's enough self-promotion for one day. I want to do a quick shout out. Mandeline Willefeer, who said she watches our videos and she loves them, and we love you, and we hope they make you smile every time you watch them.
If you're watching this up to here, comment a tree emoji.
A tree emoji.
A rhino emoji. There is a rhino emoji.
Is there a rhino? If there's a rhino emoji, find it, comment it. We love you guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on Wednesday on this channel. Bye.
Bye.
Like money when she walk by. I don't eat no smoke when she